Hi, I'm Cat, and this is Pat, and we're going to play for you one of our favorite covers that we like to perform in hopes that we can earn your vote and support the Glenview Education Foundation.
We are really happy that the Glenview Education Foundation invited us to do this. We're proud to be a part of it. We've been part of it for years, and once again, we really hope we can earn your vote with our rhythm and melodies. Slowly stick a knife inside me and twist it all around. I don't want love to grab my fingers gently, slam them in a doorway, put my face into the ground. I don't want love to murder my own mother and take her off to somewhere like hell or up above. I don't want love to change my friends to enemies, change my friends to enemies, tell me how it's all my fault. I don't want that love to just rock or interrupt me. I don't want that love to just rock or interrupt me.
So thank you. We hope you support the Glenview Education Foundation and
Vote Cat and Cat.
Thank you.
Support us.